Hey there, Laura Cheadle here in my red outfit, here to talk to you about the red pill or the blue pill. I've talked recently about infidelity, about D-Day, about finding out about your partner's infidelity, how that's an initiation into a world where all illusion has been shattered. It's your initiation into a new reality that you never really wanted to be a part of, but suddenly you are a part of it. And how your job in that journey is to choose yourself as the one. How to claim yourself as the one who will elevate and take you to the next level. But I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about that choice, because it is the quintessential matrix red pill or blue pill choice. When people choose to just cut and run, that's fine. Sometimes that's totally appropriate. But sometimes people cut and run because they don't want to face reality, and they think it's like a way of burying your head in the sand. I will just ignore it. I will just get out of here and I won't address it. And then 5 years down the line, they're reaching out to me being like, I don't know why I still don't feel good. I still feel like I'm not enough. I don't feel confident. I don't trust other people. Well, that's because you chose the blue pill. Choosing the blue pill means ignoring it and running away. Or, this is a big one too, wanting to get back to normal as soon as possible. It doesn't work. You can't just be like, we're going to ignore it. And he said he's sorry, and we're doing therapy, we're doing couples counseling, it's all going to be good. No, it's not. You don't just get back to normal as soon as possible. You have to deal with it. And that's the blue pill. How do I go back to things being comfortable? It's okay that you want things to be comfortable. Do you remember the guy? I forget his name. What was his name? Who betrayed everybody in the middle of the journey because he just wanted to go back to reality. So he started killing him because he didn't want to fight the machines anymore. He just wanted to go back to reality. Yeah, there's times we just want it to be easy. We just want it to be comfortable. And for short periods of time, like if you've got a child's graduation coming up or an event, yes, let it go back to normal. Chill for a while. But then you need to get back to the fight. And it's the fight to choose yourself. It's the fight to claim yourself as the one. And that's really that invitation. And that invitation is an important one. Red pill or blue pill? Red pill, reclaiming yourself, creating the rest of your life on your own terms, knowing yourself as the one, knowing your power, your agency, knowing that you have the ability to ask and get what you want and what you deserve. Or the blue pill, which is just make it comfortable, make it go away. I might have another relationship and it might not be perfect, but that's okay. I might spend the rest of my life as a crazy cat lady and that's okay. I might just put up and shut up and close my eyes to what's really going on, and that's okay. It's an invitation. It's your choice, but I highly recommend the red pill. So like, share, follow, and reach out if you are ready to take that red pill. Bye.